Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most fundamental concepts in the web development, the difference between HTML and CSS and JavaScript. To make it super simple and relatable, let's use the analogy we can all understand: a human being. Imagine a person, and we'll break it down step by step. Let's get started. First up, we have HTML. Think of HTML as a skeleton of a human body. Just like our bones provide the basic structure for our bodies, HTML is the foundation of a web page. So it gives the page its structure by defining elements like heading, paragraphs, images, and links. Without HTML, there would be no framework to hold everything together. For example, if we want to create a sample web page with a title and a paragraph, here's the HTML might look like. So HTML is all about the structure, just like the skeleton in our analogy. So the part 2 is CSS. Now let's talk about CSS. If HTML is the skeleton, CSS is the body, the muscles, skin, and overall appearances. CSS is what makes a web page look good. It's all about styling and layouts. With CSS, we can control colors, fonts, spacing, alignments, and even animations. So let's try the web page from before. Here's the sample CSS example. With CSS, we turn the plain structure to something visually appealing, just like how our skin, hair, and clothes define our external appearance. So the part 2, the JavaScript. Finally, we have JavaScript. If HTML is the skeleton and CSS is the body, JavaScript is the brain. It's what makes everything come to life. JavaScript adds interactivity and functionality to a web page. It's what allows buttons to be clicked, forms to be submitted, and content to upload dynamically without reloading the page. Let's add some JavaScript to make our web page interactive. It's the simplest script. We can then link these functions to button in our HTML. Now, when a user clicks the button, a message pops up. This is how JavaScript adds life to our web page, just like how our brain controls our body action. So, to wrap it up, HTML is the skeleton, providing structure, CSS is the body, defining appearances, and JavaScript is a brain, bringing it all to life. Together, these three work seamlessly to create the amazing websites we see and use every day. If you found this analogy helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech content made simple. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.